Namo Shakyamuni Buddha. There are many techniques you can use to meditate. The technique we're using is mindfulness of breathing, also called Anapanasati, taught by the Shakyamuni Buddha. Anapanasati is an old Indian word which means respiration. Anapanasati meditation is the awareness of the breath coming in and going out. Meditation is important to become more aware and attentive. Only a calm mind can meditate. Let's begin by finding a quiet, relaxing area to meditate. Sit in a comfortable position with your back and your neck straight. If you have physical limitations, you may use a chair or back support. If you wear glasses, please take them off. Sitting posture. The full lotus position is when two legs are crossed over each other. Half lotus position is when the right leg is crossed over the left. Place your left hand on top of your right hand. Lightly touch both thumbs together and place your hands comfortably on your lap for energy circulation. Calmly close your eyes and keep your eyes gently closed. Keep your mouth closed. Focus all your attention on the entrance of the nostrils. Remain aware of the natural breath as it comes in, as it goes out. Don't try to control or count the breath. Just leave it as it is. Breathing in, I am aware that I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I am aware that I'm breathing out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, I feel light. Breathing out, I feel free, light, free, light, free. Breathing in, I am aware that I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I am aware that I'm breathing out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, I am enjoying this present moment. Breathing out, I know this is a wonderful moment. Present moment, wonderful moment. Present moment, wonderful moment. May you all be happy meditating. May you all be peaceful and harmonious. May you all be loved and kind. May you all be liberated, liberated, liberated. Namo Shakyamuni Buddha. Once you are done meditating, please be sure to massage your hands, face, neck, back, ears, legs, and feet to restore blood circulation. This will prevent dizziness and falling. Namo Shakyamuni Buddha.